Hey friends, if the UAC yes button is missing or grayed out in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's what I would have done. I would have searched UAC and then clicked on user account control. If it would have been at the second or third one, I would have pulled it at the bottom and clicked on OK. Why? Because if I'm already the administrator of the computer, I shouldn't be prompted for it again and again. That's quite irritating. Whenever I reset my computer, I just turn off UAC. This said, this said, if you encounter this issue, your first approach should be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. So this is the only solution that we can try because this is an issue with the system itself, and an SFC scan will search for missing and corrupt files and repair them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.